Jamaica, watch this.
Padlocks and closed doors. Not the New Year welcome from the usually vibrant Marchpen Road community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
From the 26th of December, all business were closed.
The community has been under one of the strictest curfews according to residents. It was triggered by the killing of a man on November 27. The motive, internal gang feud.
Even though it's up the top, having them fiction, we have family and friends up there, we don't want nobody to sit there. But give it time, man. We have bars, we have shop, we have kids to go to school, we have partner for church, we have round up, we have art about something for doing our life.
Business operators told TVJ News that the community is on edge, not because of crime, but because livelihoods are impacted.
Most of the things them steal, no truck now come down if you take it back.
We are not asking for the curfew to be lifted. We are just asking for us to survive. We accept and appreciate the police force, which we know that they are doing their job. But we also are doing our job, which need by opening our business. If we even get till 6 o'clock, same way we appreciate it.
So what happens now? Like as basic curfew, how long do you guys get to open?
We don't get no time to open.